Okay, so let's get the rhythm for the first line now. Our first line consists of both crotchet ta as well as the quaver beat ti ti. So let's say the rhythm out together. Ta ti 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 ta ta ta. Continue by beat bar 3. Ta ta ta, and then we have a 4 ti 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 ta. So we're going to start with our right hand with our thumb placing on middle C. Okay, so this C is in the middle of your keys. So we have put our thumb on C. We have a C, and then we have a C and scale up C, D, E, F, G. Now when you reach the second G, you're going to replace with your thumb and play it again, the third beat. And then we're going to move up one step, finger 2, stretch all the way up to finger 5, and that is your high D. One step down, and then we are going to run from C down to B, A, B, and back down to G on the last note. So let's do it faster. 1, 2, go. C, C, D, E, F, G, replace G, G, A, high D, high C, run C, B, A, B, G. Now for our left hand, we have a dotted minimum for every bar. So we're just going to hold finger 5, find your 1 octave down from middle C. We have your low C, finger 5, hold. We're going to skip up to finger 3, E, hold, 1 step up to F, hold, and 1 step up to G. Hold. Now we're going to activate our left hand at the first beat of every bar. So let's combine hands together. Let's go. C, D, E, F. And when we at G, activate finger number 3. G, replace G, G. When you go up to finger 2 on A right hand, you can activate finger 2 left hand to F. Finger 5, high D, high C, and then before we run, we're going to have our finger 4 and our thumb on G for our left hand, and we run finger C to B, A, B, G. Okay, so let's do it slightly faster. 1, 2, go. C, C, D, E, F, G, replace finger 2, 2, from 3 to 3, 1. Okay. Now for our second line, right hand, we have a total of 3 crotchets for bar 5, 3 crotchets for bar 6. So we have a ta, ta, ta. We're gonna, you ended on 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. You ended on finger 1 on G. Now you're gonna stretch up finger 2 on the high C. High C is 1 octave higher from your middle C. So we have finger 2 as recommended, crotchet beats, C, 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 1 step up to D, 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 D. Next bar, 1 step up to E, and then we are going to run T, 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 ta. Coming down, we have a F to D to C to B, and we're going to end with a high C. As well, left hand, it gets a little bit complicated on the quaver beat. So we're going to have, previously we ended on with our thumb on G. Okay, now we're going to shift our finger 5 to a E. Okay, one more time. Yeah, this is your previous position. We're going to shift our finger 5 to E and stretch our thumb up to middle C. Okay, so this is a 6 interval. So from finger 5 all the way to C, E to C is a 6. So stretch slightly a little bit. So we have a finger E, finger 5 to 1. E, C, E, C, E, C. We have a total of 3 sets. So let's go. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. And then immediately you are going to have your finger 4, which is already there, sits nicely on the F, and keep your middle C there, and we are going to run alternate F and C. F, C, F, C, F, C. And then we're going to resolve to G when your finger 3 sits nicely on G. And then we're going to do a C arpeggios down on the last bar, bar 8. Put your thumb on C, going down to G, arpeggios, and end on low C. Let's try finger bar 5, left hand. E, C, E, C, E, C, F, C, F, C, F, C, finger 3, hold, hold, arpeggios down, 1, 2, and 5. Okay, and now let's combine hands together. We ended on our G. Now we're gonna have our right hand placing on high C and our left hand finger 5 placing on E. So get ready your E, C, E, C, E, C. So as you can see, for my left hand it runs a bit faster, twice as fast as my right hand. So right hand keep it crotchet beat, left hand keep it quaver beat. So we have finger 2 and finger 5 together. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, slowly, finger 2 and 5 and a thumb, finger 2 and a thumb, finger 2 and 5 and a thumb. Now next bar we're gonna move up finger 3 and activate finger 3 for our right hand, finger 4 for our left hand, 3 and 4 and a thumb, 3 and 4 and a thumb, 3 and 4 and a thumb. Okay, and 2 more bars. We're going to go one step up, finger 4 on our right hand, and finger 3 sits nicely on G for our left hand. Finger 3, 4 and 3 together, and then we're going to run down from our right hand from F down to D, down to C, down to B, and we're going to end both hands on C, right? Finger 2 is on high C and our thumb is on left hand thumb is on middle C. Activate left hand, arpeggios down to G and down to C. Let's do it faster from bar 5 to bar 8. Ready? 1, 2, go. Alright, so now we're going to play from bar 1 all the way to bar 8 and you are done with 50% of the song. Let's start from bar 1. Ready? C, thumb, right hand thumb on C, left hand finger 5 on C. 1, we're gonna play slow. 1, 2, go. Replace with the thumb. 2, 2, 5, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Stretch up to high C, finger 5 go to E, and we run. And repeat, fly. Replace thumb. 2, 2, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Stretch up. So now let's move on to bar 9. We have our finger 3 on high E. And then we're going to activate your thumb and scale up C, D, E, F, G. And then we're going to stretch down to low G and again. Now if you put your thumb on low G, automatically your finger 4 is on high C, finger 4, and then we have one step up from D, down to C, down to B, down to A. And then we're going to run starting from finger 4 again. 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. For our left hand, we have our thumb on middle C. Hold, hold, finger 2. B, hold, hold on A, finger 3. Hold, hold, and finger 4. Hold, hold. Okay, pretty straightforward. Now let's combine hands together. We have our thumb on middle C, high E for our right hand. Let's do it together. 3 and 1, and then scale up from thumb right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finger 5 and finger 2 together. Stretch down to low G. Stretch down. Now activate finger 4 and one step down for our left hand. Scale down from finger 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. And activate 4, 4 together, G and high C. 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, which is a C, B, A, B, G. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, go. 3 and 1. 5 and 2, stretch down. 4 and 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our last line of this song, bar 13 to 16. We have finger 2, we ended on thumb on G. Now we have finger 2 on A, and the rhythm goes ta, 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 and then we have a bar of TT quavers, T, 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 and we're going to end the song with a ta, we ended on our thumb on G. Now we have our finger 2 on A, one step up to B, one step up to C. Now we have another C, but this time you're going to replace with finger 2. Play another time so that you have enough fingers as you run on the second last bar. Finger 3, D, E, F, D, C, B, and end on C. Okay. As for our left hand, you find it a little bit similar to the rhythm from bar 5 and 6. End off with our finger 4 on our G on bar 12. Now for bar 13, we have finger 5 on F. Now it sits nicely when you place all your fingers down. Your left hand thumb sits on C. So now we're going to alternate finger F and thumb together. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, F and C. And after that, we're going to stretch down bar 14 on E and C. Thumb remain on C. E, C, E, C, E, C. Now when you stretch down, your finger 4 sits naturally on F. One step up on G and hold a bit, and then we're going to do the C arpeggios again. Start from middle C down to G and low C. Now let's combine hands together. We have our finger 2 and finger 5, finger 2 on A right hand, finger 5 left hand on F. So let's go 2 and 5 left hand thumb, 2 and 5 left hand thumb, 3 and 5 left hand thumb, and then we're going to stretch down. Finger 4, get ready for your right hand, left hand from E, 4 and 5 left hand thumb, replace 2 and 5 left hand thumb, 2 and 5 left hand thumb, finger going up one step to D, activate finger 4 where it sits nicely on F, one step up, and when you hit finger 5, one step up from your left hand, finger 5 for your right hand, one step up for your left hand, down to D, down to C, down to B, and then aim for the CC again, arpeggios down left hand, and end on low C. Okay, so let's try the last line. Let's try slightly faster. 1, 2, 3. So now, after learning these 4 lines, let's play it together slowly. 1, 2, go. Replace. Finger 5. Repeat from the start. Line 3. Stretch down to G. Repeat